Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Violet from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This is everything that I have on so far. I just put this on in blonde. I also put these bangs in blonde and this purple color Violet E7C3FF, and I use this in blonde, and this accessory adjustment Z at 0.65 and Y at 0.49, just so that it goes a little bit back. It looks weird from the back, but let's just ignore that because it doesn't matter. I also use these pants, and I selected adjusted for shoes in this color for D7C79 in a silk color, and for the top I colored it this violet color D08BFF, and the other color I selected the same as the pants and I colored it white. And for the shoes, I just colored matched it. And then now for the bubblegum aspect, we are going to use this round necklace in obviously violet color. I might make it a little bit more, a little bit darker, I guess, and a little bit on the blue side. So I'm just going to scale it up like this, and what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of position and rotate that so it looks decent, I guess. I'm just going to kind of position it how I want. I know this is a little bit annoying. Maybe you can kind of find a way to hide that. Maybe, let me see if I can. I think to hide it, you do need a big voluptuous hair to really hide it. But I'm just going to leave it like that. Maybe from some angles you can't see it. But you just need to position it kind of where the mouth is, I guess. Like here. And again, if you want to really hide it, you can have something covering it like her hair. And then I'm just going to add a silkier texture on that, so it looks like there's a shine. Sorry, I'm just trying to adjust it a little bit more. Oh my gosh, we're just going to ignore that bubble gum from the back. But this is how you can create Violet on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.